Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Guys, from the caption of this video, you guys already know that this video is all about cloves. Yes, I've heard a lot of people talk about cloves, about how it helps their hair grow and all of that. I know that I've tried a whole lot of different methods on how to grow my hair, which have worked for me, and for some reason I just never tried using cloves, and I wanted to do a video on this, but I was not just going to do a video on something simply because it was trending or buzzing and all of that. So I wanted to try this out for my hair and see whether it works for me or not. So for that reason, I decided to do a challenge with this right here with cloves on my hair and see whether it would help my hair grow or not. And then I decided to do a 14 days challenge using cloves, and that is how this video came about. I decided to do this so that I would see whether it really does work or not, and then I would share my experience with you guys. So guys, please, as you watch, don't skip this video because I'm going to mention everything I did on my hair while I was doing this whole challenge, everything I did to prevent dryness, because I learned cloves actually dries out hair. So I'm going to share with you guys what I did to prevent my hair from drying out and to curb breakage. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looked like before I started this 14 days challenge and what my hair looked like after I completed the challenge. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay, so in my hand here I have a jar, that's the jar I used for this challenge, and or rather for this remedy. And you're going to need a jar for this. If you don't have a jar, you can just use whatever containers you have for the remedy. Okay, so this jar is about 1 liter, and in here I added exactly 4 cups of clean tap water, and this is what I'll be using for this remedy. So just bear in mind that this is the quantity I decided to use for the video, not precisely for the entire 14 days challenge. So in here I'm going to add in my cloves, and for 4 cups of water I added 4 tablespoons of the cloves, as you can see me doing in the video. And that's about it. And this is just me using my spoon to, give it a good mix. I don't know whether that helps for anything, but just to make sure that everything soaks well into the water. And yeah, so the only thing left for me to do now is to just let this sit for about 24 hours or more, and just wait for the cloves to be properly infused into the water, and then I would make use of the mixture. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to let this sit. You can see that the water is already changing its color, and after a day or more, you're going to notice that the color of the water will change completely to a kind of dark brown. That way you know that yes, you've gotten a very good infused clove into your water. So guys, I'm just going to let this sit for 1 day, and then I'll be back and we'll continue with what I did. So One day later, and this is what my clove is looking like. The color is completely changed to the dark brownish color I told you guys about. So while you watch me carry on with the rest of the process, I'll just quickly run through with the benefits of clove for your hair. So cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. Cloves protect the scalp from dandruff, and you know dandruff is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair, right? So cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall as well, and with the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is better blood circulation which stimulates hair to grow. And cloves also treats dandruff, it treats flakes and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. And then the last but not the least, it also prevents graying of hair due to its antioxidants. So you guys, you can see how very important it is for you to use cloves into your hair. And now I'm done sieving it, and you can see what the cloves look like. It looks all swollen. It looks, if you touch it, it feels really soft, and that's to say that all the nutrients have been infused into the water. So now I'm just going to carry on with the rest of the processes and show you guys what I did. So make sure to watch vividly to the very end so you don't miss out on any step at all, because it is very important. Guys, I recorded a significant amount of growth on my hair, so stay tuned. So right now I'm just going to pour in some of this clove mixture into my spray bottle. Not too much, just enough to go around my hair. And this is what I would usually do. I'll just portion it a little, and the quantity I'm going to take is about 1.5 cups for the entirety of my hair, because I actually left my hair in cornrows. So the quantity I'm taking, and you see me take in this bottle now, is more than enough to go around my hair. And that's just about it. This is about 1.5 cup. And for the rest of the mixture, I'm going to refrigerate it. Guys, take note that this can last in your fridge for as long as you want. It doesn't get spoiled at all. It can last in your fridge for a month or even more. So I transferred it back into the jar I originally made the mixture in, and this is going into the fridge. So you can just take out the little quantity you want for the day and then store the rest in your fridge, and it will not spoil at all. So this is the quantity I'll be using, or I would normally use each day from day 1 to day 14. So I would just spray this all over my hair and leave it. While I spray, I would massage it into my hair and tie my hair with, or cover my hair with, a shower cap or a nylon, as the case may be, just to trap in some heat and let the cloves penetrate my hair shaft. Now I guess you'll be wondering what it is I'm holding in my hand right now. Guys, this is another thing I combined with this clove throughout the entire 14 days I carried out this challenge. Guys, what you see in this bottle is a hair butter that I made a while back, and I noticed that this cloves usually dries out hair after a while if it is not moisturized. So after a few days, I would just, if I noticed that my hair was drying out, I'll just take a good quantity of it and rub it through my palms, and I'll just rub it all over my hair and make sure that it goes round. I touch all my edges, my entire hair, and I would make sure that it is well incorporated in my hair. And with this, my hair never dried out. The combination of these two is just perfect. So I'm just trying to show you guys what this hair butter does. It is really soft. It is good. You just take a scoop of it, and the moment you rub it through your palms, you can just see how it melts into your palm, into your skin, and that is what it does to the hair. I'm going to show you guys the back of my hand as well, just so you guys will see what this butter does. It just melts in seconds, and if you can see it even into my skin this way, then you can just imagine what it does to the hair as well. So that is what I did throughout the entire period. Whenever I noticed that my hair was drying out, I'll just quickly apply this and let it sit there. And mind you, this butter smells amazing. So there was nothing like my hair smelling bad, nothing, all through the entire 14 days. This was what I used. The combination of this butter and the cloves, guys, it is just amazing. So if you don't have any hair butter, just make do with whatever oils you have. Just make sure that you don't leave your hair drying out. I'm going to leave the link to this hair butter where I just pointed that side of the screen. So if you want to know how I made that butter, you can just check that video out. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looked like before and after the completion of this challenge. So guys, this was before I began this challenge. I just put my hair in 2 cornrows, and then this was after the 14 days. This particular day I did not apply this, so I would say this was day 15, and that's why you can see my hair dried out. I was going to wash my hair this particular day. Guys, you can see the amount of growth. You can see how loose and soggy my hair is. That is just to tell you how much growth I got from 14 days of using cloves on my hair. Guys, just check this out. Just look at the growth. So that is all about this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to give this a try. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.